In this video, I will explain about two-dimensional figure. But before we start to the explanation, let's do some introduction. I am Inay Febrianti and my partner is
Rislianti.
Okay, without wasting time, let's get started. Two-dimensional figure are flat planes without thickness that have length and width. Two-dimensional figure include square, rectangle, triangle, trapezoid, parallelogram, circle, rhombus, kite, and others.
In this video, we will discuss four flat shapes, namely rhombus, circle, parallelogram, and trapezoid. Initially, the discussion of the first, the shape will be applied by my partner Inaya.
Perimeter and area formula. Rhombus, area, a half times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Perimeter, 4 times side. Circle, area, p times r squared. Perimeter, 2 times p times r. Parallelogram, area, base times height. Perimeter, 2 times a plus 2 times b. And the last, trapezoid, area, a half times a plus b times height. Perimeter, a plus b plus c plus d. Okay, the first plane figure to be explained is the parallelogram. The following are the characteristics of a parallelogram. The first is a parallelogram does not have reflection symmetry. The second, a parallelogram has second degree rotational symmetry. The third, opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal in size. The fourth, a parallelogram has four angles and four sides. The fifth, the lengths of its diagonal are not equal. The sixth, there are two pairs of sides that are of equal length and parallel. And the last, there are two obtuse angles and two acute angles. Example of a parallelogram problem. The problem can be read. I will answer the question directly. To find the total area of the parallelogram shaped field, we'll use the formula area base times height. Given that the length of one side base is 12 meters and the height is 8 meters, area 12 times 8 equals 96 square meters. So, the total area of the field is 96 square meters. To find the length of the fence or perimeter around the field, we'll use the formula. For the perimeter of a parallelogram, perimeter 2 times A plus 2 times B. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal in length. So if one side is 12 meters, then the opposite side is also 12 meters. Given that the length of one side base is 12 meters and the other side width is 8 meters. Perimeter 2 times 12 plus 2 times 8 equals 24 plus 16 equals 40 meters. So, Mr. Budi should install a fence or perimeter that is 40 meters long around the field to keep his garden safe from wild animals.
Next, the rhombus characteristic features. The first, all sides are of equiline. The second, it has two diagonals that are perpendicular to each other and from real angles of 90 degrees. The third, opposite angles are equivalent in sense. The fourth, the sum of all equivalent is 360 degrees. The five, the R2S of symmetry, the are the same as its diagonals. The six, it has four sides and edges. The last all sides are of equivalent. Next, problems example rhombus. Is it now the piece of cloth in the shape of the rhombus with a diagonal length of 12 centimeters? If the sheet length of rhombus is 6 centimeters, what is the perimeter and area of the lodge? Okay, rhombus formula is area equals d1 times d2 over 2 perimeter equals 4 times h. So, given the one of the diagonal, let's say d1 is 12 centimeter and 6 diagonals of a rhombus visit each other, the other diagonals d2 will also be 12 centimeters. So d1 equals d2 equals 12 centimeter. Now we can call the R and perimeter. Area equals d1 times d2 over equals 12 times 12 over 2 equals 72 square centimeters. Perimeters equals 4 is equal 4 times 6 equals 24 centimeters. So the R of the cost is 72 square centimeter and perimeter is 24 centimeter.
Okay, the next plane figure is the circle. The following are the characteristics of circle. The first, it has infinite rotational symmetry. The second, it has radial symmetry and infinite axes. The third, there are no angles. And the last, it only has one side. Example of a circle problem. The problem can be read. I will answer the question directly. Formula of a circle. Area p times r square. Perimeter 2 times p times r. Given that the radius of the pool is 7 meters, the first area p times 7 square equals 22 divided by 7 times 49 equals 154 square meters. The second perimeter 2p times 7 equals 14 times 22 divided by 7 equals 44 meters. So the area of the pond is approximately 154 square meters and the perimeter is approximately 44 meters.
Next, trapezoid characteristic features. First, it has 4 sets. The second, it has 2 parallel sets of the fringe leads. The third, it has 4 features. The fourth, a trapezium, must have at least one obtuse angles. The last, there is one rotational symmetry. Okay, the problem's example trapezoid. In a frit, there is a trapezoid that is set to host fitting each feet. The length of the parallel sides of the trapezoid are 12 meters and 8 meters, while the height of the trapezoid is 6 meters. What is the total area of the trapezoid? And two, what is the perimeter of the trapezoid area? Okay, trapezoid formula is area equivalent 1 over 2 times in brackets A plus B times height in brackets perimeter equivalent A plus B plus C plus D. Substituting the given values. The one area equals 1 over 2 times 12 plus 8 times 6 equals 1 over 2 times 20 times 6 equals 60 square meter and 2 perimeter. 12 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12 equals 32 meters. So the total area of the trapezoid is 60 square meter. And 2, the perimeter of the trapezoid is 32 meters.
Okay, that's all we can explain. If there are many mistakes, please forgive and thank you. Bye!